Hi everyone, today we are giving you a sneak peek into the Jack's Vegan Couples fridge to show you what we have, what we stock up on a weekly basis, and the yummy goodness that we eat. Lots of fruits, every flavor and variety of citrus fruits, oranges, tangerines, papaya, bananas, lots of fruit that's in season, whether it's persimmon, pomegranates, organic Fuji apples, lots of herbs. We've got cilantro and green chilies and parsley and mint and basil, garlic, ginger, mushrooms. We eat a lot of dates, pineapple. We've got romaine lettuce, broccoli, green beans, squash, cauliflower, eggplants, pomegranate, turnips, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. We love and enjoy adding seeds to our smoothies and salads. Flaxseed, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, hemp hearts. All the seeds are really good and nutritious for you. Provide your daily intake of omega-3s and proteins that you do not need from meat or any other types of food. On this side here we've got nuts. We've got a jar of turmeric that we add to all of our cooking and smoothies. Almonds, almond milk. Kimchi that we make ourselves, apple cider vinegar, we eat a lot of Dave's bread, which is whole grain, organic bread that doesn't have any bad ingredients. You need to learn to read the ingredients. Bread is good with a cup of soup, with some jam on it, almond butter, steel cut oatmeals. There you have it. Sneak peek into the Jack's Vegan Couples fridge. Hope this inspires you to eat more greens, whole plant food, and things that are yummy and nutritious for you. Follow us on all of our social channels and let us know if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.